Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about the comments in Python. We know that comment is a statement which is not executed by the compiler of any language, but this helps to readability of the program. Now let us see how the comments in Python looks like. Comments in Python are the lines in the code that are ignored by the interpreter during the execution of the program. That means the interpreter of the Python program, that is which is the converter or the translator of the Python language, does not consider these comments. It is only for the user to understand. Comments enhances the Comments enhance the readability of the code and help the programmers to understand the code very carefully. Suppose we have a lengthy code, and there are many different processes in that code. Reading together everything is a tedious process that won't be able to understand the flow of the program when it has too many lines. Okay, it is similar to when you have a big essay like content to read. We divide into paragraphs and we also give the subheadings. Same way here, these a long program or any short program also, we can divide the program into different parts and we can comment the part of the program so that anyone can understand what is the particular part of the program does. That is the purpose of the comment. There are three types of comments in Python: single line comments, multi-line comments, and docstring comments. What is the advantages of the comments? Comments in Python provide numerous advantages. Their primary benefits include makes the code easily understandable by other programmers. So if I write some program and I comment the program, anyone can read and understand the program. That is the understandability of the program. Second is the code becomes self-explanatory. Then and there will be comments. That comments will help to understand the code very easily. Helps remember why we need a specific command, method or function in the code. Even a programmer, while programming, he may understand something and he can write some codes. After some period of time, if he want to revise his code itself, that time the comment helps a lot. That after a long time he may not remember why he have mentioned the particular comment in the particular program. This comment will help to identify what is the purpose of each and every command in the program, and enables the interpreter to ignore some part of the code while testing. For example, while testing we have to find out where the error is. Okay, now if we are able to locate the location of the error, now we can ignore some part of the error while testing. For that also this comment helps. So that is another advantage of the comments in Python, and using the comments for debugging. So just the previous point continues here. It helps to debug. What is debugging? Is removing the errors. So now when we have comment the part of the program in many places, in case if error comes, we can be able to locate the error and we will be able to correct the errors very easily. That is called as an debugging. The comments are helpful for debugging. So now the types of comments are given over here. The first comment is the hash. Using the single line comment. Comment creates a variable. Now that is the function that the next line does. What it does, it creates a variable called name and assigns some value. So name is equal to, within single quote, some value, some name is given. Okay, now next line is print the value. That is the comment, and the next line print the name. Okay, so here the comment line says that the following line creates a variable. The next comment says that the following line prints the variable. Likewise, every process is explained in the comment. The second type of comment is the multi-line comments, where we are using the hash at every starting of the line. Suppose if the comment is too long, then we cannot write it in a single line. So we go for the next line. So when you start in the next line, again we have to continue with the hash symbol. That is the multi-line comments. So how many lines the comments come, accordingly we have to start with the hash symbol. Every line it starts. So that is the multi-line comment. And the third is the adding the quotes, triple quotes, or the triple double quotes. What does it mean is this is a multi-line command where we can put the quotes starting and ending of the comment. There is no need to put the command in every starting of the line. When they enough if we start with the quote and we end with the quote. So as long as the quote started, the compiler or interpreter assumes that it is a comment, and after it keeps on ignoring all the lines till the next closing quotes come. Okay, that means within the quotes all the lines are ignored by the interpreter. So this is another type of giving the comments. So like this, the comments helps to elaborate the functioning of the program step by step. So this increases the readability and the understandability of the program. Hope this concept of comment is simple and easy to follow. Thanks for watching.